Here it is, my visual recipe. Recipe for what? Peanut butter dog biscuits and baby teething biscuits. All right, here it is. 1 cup of warm apple juice or other juice. 2 cups of flour. I used whole wheat. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Let me see what this is. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 little package of active dry yeast. This is better than the other yeast that has a chemical in it. This one only has yeast in it. Then you put your dry ingredients together first. Then you mix the moist ingredients. Then you just knead it a little bit with your hands. Then you put it in a warm oven for 30 minutes or longer so it can raise up a little bit. Then after that, you bake it for how many? 15 minutes approximately at 425 degrees. Now, these teething biscuits are a little soft still, so I'm going to leave them in the warm oven so they can dry out and harden more. But these dog biscuits, wow. Oh, they're solid. And good luck.